Hi guys, I hope you are all doing well. Let's see today's question. So today's question we are taking this up from the topic of differential equations. And if I talk about the question that is given to us here from this topic, the question tells us if y equals y of x is the solution of a differential equation which is given to us as dy over dx plus 2y equals sine of 2x. And the question gives us one more condition which says y at x equals to 0 becomes 3 over 4. Then the question is asking me to figure out what will be the value of y at x equals pi over 8. Now, once I get these questions, I have been given my answer choices as e raised to minus pi over 8. Second answer choice, e raised to pi over 4. Third answer choice, e raised to minus pi over 4. And the last answer choice I have been given is e raised to pi over 8. So we need to figure out which one of the answer choices is the correct answer for this question that is asked to us here. Let's try to figure out the correct answer choice. Let's try to solve the question further. So if I try to solve the question further, I have been given this differential equation. Let's try to evaluate that. So dy over dx plus 2y is sine of 2x. Now, once I have been given this, I can just use it to compare with my general form of differential equation, which is dy over dx plus py equals q. So if I compare them, I get p is just 2 and q is sine of 2x. Now, once I have p and q with me, I can just use this idea that when I have that, if, that is integrating factor, is given by e raised to integral p dx, that is e raised to integral to dx. So from here, what do I get as e raised to 2x. Once I get my integrating factor for such a general form, I know that the solution of such a differential equation is given by the formula y times integrating factor integral of q times integrating factor dx plus c, where c is the constant. So I can use this idea and write the solution of the given differential equation. So if I use that, y times if. If is your integrating factor, which is e raised to 2x integral of q times if. Q here I know it is sine of 2x times if, which is e raised to 2x dx plus c. Let's try to solve and evaluate this integral's value now. I'll be writing this as, let's say, I is integral of e raised to 2x sine of 2x dx. So we'll first solve only this part of the integral, and whatever answer we get for this integral, I'll put it here, and then I'll get the solution of this entire differential equation. So if I want to get the value of this integral, I can just use the idea of product rule. So I have two functions. One is e raised to 2x, other is sine 2x. So to use the idea, if I use the idea of product of the two functions, integral of that is given by u integral v minus a big integral. Inside I find derivative of u and integrate v. So this entire thing I have to do here. So to get that, which is u, which is v, we can use the idea of Eilate rule to figure out which comes first. Whatever comes first is u, and the one that comes next is v. So I have e raised to 2x, which is an exponential function, and I have sine of 2x, which is a trigonometric function. Now, out of this two, if I see t comes first, so this becomes u, and this becomes v. So if I use that idea, I get I equals u is sine 2x. So I'll write it outside. Take integral of e raised to 2x dx minus big integral, again derivative of u, so derivative of sine 2x integral of e raised to 2x dx. So I get I as sine of 2x Integral of e raised to 2x is nothing but e raised to 2x only, but I have to divide by the coefficient of x. So dividing by 2 minus integral of derivative of sine 2x is cos 2x. Using chain rule, I'll find the derivative of 2x also further, that is just 2. Integral of e raised to 2x, e raised to 2x dividing by 2 dx. This 2 and 2 cancels, I get half e raised to 2x sine 2x minus integral of this becomes e raised to 2x cos of 2x dx. Now let's try to solve it further. So half e raised to 2x sine of 2x minus integral of e raised to 2x cos 2x. Again, it's a product of two functions where this becomes v and this becomes u because this is trigonometric and this is exponential function. So again, I will use that same idea. I'll write u as it is and integral of v minus a big integral finding the derivative of u and again integral of v. Whatever I get this integral of e raised to 2x dx. So let's see half e raised to 2x sine of 2x as it is minus cos 2x again as it is. Integral of e raised to 2x is e raised to 2x divided by 2. Minus minus makes it plus. Derivative of cos 2x is minus sine 2x into 2 because derivative of 2x is 2. Integral of e raised to 2x is e raised to 2x over 2. You have to find the integral of this entire thing also. So integral with respect to dx. This and this cancels. Now let's try to solve this further. So I get from here I is half e raised to 2x sine 2x minus half e raised to 2x cos 2x as well. And here I got this is plus, but this is again becoming minus because plus times minus. So it becomes minus integral of e raised to 2x sine 2x dx. Now once I have this integral of e raised to 2x sine 2x dx, this entire thing, if you see guys, this is the same thing we have substituted as I. So I is nothing but that integral value only. So I'll write this is nothing but just I. So I equals half common I'll take from this two terms, e raised to 2x also common from these two terms. So I'm just left with sine 2x minus cos 2x minus I. So this I goes here becomes 2I. So 2I is 1 over 2 e raised to 2x sine 2x minus cos 2x. So I get from here I is, this 2 goes down, so 1 over 4 raised to 2x sine 2x minus cos 2x. So I get this is, so I get the answer for I in terms of sine x and cos x. Now once I get that, I'll put it here. So I get the solution of this entire differential equation. So it gets me y e raised to 2x is equals to 1 over 4 e raised to 2x sine 2x minus cos 2x plus c. So I get the solution of this entire differential equation. Once I have the solution of this entire differential equation, let's try to figure out the value of c. To get the value of c, I'll just put the condition that says y of 0 is 3 over 4. That basically means that when I put x equals 0, y becomes 3 over 4. So if I put x as 0 here, I get y as 3 over 4. So 3 over 4 times e raised to 0 equals 1 over 4 e raised to 0. Sine of 0, which is just 0, minus cos of 0, that is 1 plus c. So I get 3 over 4 minus 1 over 4 plus c. So if I solve for this further, I get 3 over 4 plus 1 over 4 equals c. And that basically makes c as 1 because 4 over 4 is 1. So I get the constants value, and that changes my entire differential equation's solution. So y e raised to 2x is equals to half e raised to 2x sine 2x minus cos 2x plus 1. And it's not half, it's 1 over 4. So I'll be writing that. So 1 over 4 e raised to 2x sine 2x minus cos 2x plus c, which is just 1. So I get this solution of the differential equation. Once I have that with me, the question is asking me to figure out the value of y at x equals pi over 8. So I'll just substitute x equals pi over 8. So if I put x as just pi over 8, let's see what is the value of y. So I get y e raised to 2 times pi over 8, 1 over 4 e raised to 2 times pi over 8, sine 2 times pi over 8 minus cos 2 times pi over plus. So let's try to figure out. I get this is sine pi over 4, cos pi over 4. So sine pi over 4 and cos pi over 4 are equal to each other. So if I have a subtraction between them, this 1 over root 2 minus 1 over root 2, I'll get, which is basically becomes 0. So 0 multiplied with anything would make it 0. So I have y e raised to 2 pi over 8. This entire term becomes 0. So this entire thing will become 0. So I will have y e raised to 2 pi over 8 is equals to 0 plus 1. I can cancel this 2 and 8s also. So y e raised to pi over 4 is equals to 1. So y becomes 1 over e raised to pi over 4, and that gives me y is e raised to minus pi. So I get the value of y at x equals pi over 8, and that becomes e raised to minus pi over 4. That matches with answer choice C. So C becomes the correct answer for this question that is given to us here. I hope you have understood how to solve this type of questions. So what we did is we just compared it with my general form, got P's and Q's. Once I got P and Q, I found the integrating factor, and then I know the solution is given by this. Y times integrating factor is integral of Q times integrating factor dx plus C. So once I got that, I found the solution of differential equation, and that solution gave me the constants value as 1. And at x equals to pi over 8, they were asking me to figure out the value of y, which basically matched with answer choice C. I hope you have understood how to solve this question. I'll see you again tomorrow with some other question from some other topic. And we are going to continue our series of questions on JEE mains. So stay tuned for more videos to roll out. Also, if you're enjoying these videos that we are doing on everyday basis, please do like the videos as well and do subscribe to my channel and share this channel with your friends also who are involved in the preparation of questions on JEE, so they can also take the benefit from these questions that we are solving. Thank you.